Tukulia lero nigo bwathan ngoro cia ABC yo musali munne bwa serikali igose Office of Director of Public Prosecutions Renson Ingonga yanyaka bagotarira ABC yo mugavana bwa county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo atwanya ka bagusanga amange annemono igoro ya mangana ya bwathan kurwania obukurumi sensemu yaye mugavana Nyaribo nigata abuna ya ABC yo nigo yaberega gukora emirimo emiya ase yanyaka bakwana kiabuna oboene bwa bange kunyara bole
I think the way you're conducting yourself, everybody Kenyan is aware, and we are happy the work you are doing because it's fair. If the case does not merit prosecution, you return it for further investigations, and we realize that's a big role because you may prosecute somebody who is innocent. And although I know some people are in jail for cases, for crimes they never committed because of some circumstantial errors, because you can be found in the scene of crime, where you were just passing. You are told to explain how this man died.
You have no answer.
And you have no answer. Such things happen, but with the office now, with the professionals, and I think most of them are here, big, strong delegation, which is backing you. I know justice will always be done. Asante sana, as you, this is good because you come to know the ground.
Yes.
Kuriko hearing about Nyamira, you don't know where Nyamira is, you can see it in the map, but it's good you come to know the people of Nyamira and get to understand, so that when you are in Nairobi, you can be able to make judgments based on the people you understand.
Then one final thing I forgot to ask.
Yes, yes.
You know, we are also looking for land to put up our office, and some county governments have given us land, most county governments.